I'm Steve McBride, Department Head of High Performance and Racing Program here at Ohio Technical College. What is the program designed for? The program's designed for somebody that wants to get into the motorsports industry, whether that's race team, manufacturer, or the shops that are all over the country. What we're going to do is cover all the aspects because we don't know where you want to go within the industry. We're going to get you ready for the motorsports industry at the entry level. So some of the things that we're going to cover in class are going to be electrical, basic through electronics, engines, their design and build for the different applications that you might see when you're out there, steering and suspension, drivetrain, welding and fabrication. We do a small project to build a mini roll cage into brakes, and then go through motorsports management and then help you get a career in the motorsports industry. If you have a desire to work in the motorsports industry, come down, check us out at Ohio Technical College.